We all know that oil is like the blood of your vehicle's engine. Quality oil and regular changes are critical to the reliability, longevity, and overall health of your engine. In general, we, the consumer, have three types of oil on offer: conventional mineral oil, semi-synthetic oils, and fully synthetic oils. All of these types of oils contain some form of lubricant additives, although the oil makeup varies greatly depending on things like grade, application or intended use, and the brand you choose. But not all oils are the same, and with all these grades, qualities and brands on offer, here's 5 synthetic oil myths that every car guy should know. Using a synthetic oil will void my vehicle's manufacturer warranty. Provided you ensure your chosen oil meets the viscosity and performance specifications in your vehicle owner's manual, a synthetic oil will not interfere with any warranty coverage provided by your vehicle manufacturer unless the manufacturer has specifically recommended against using a synthetic. I have an older engine. Synthetic oils will cause my seals to leak. In general, seals in most engines are manufactured from elastomers and plasticizers. Although seals are designed to last a very long time, they may become damaged and aged over time and often require replacement as part of any regular maintenance. Synthetic oils are designed to pass the exact same seal requirements as a conventional mineral oil, so they do not cause leaks. Leaks are typically a result of worn, cracked, or damaged seals. You can't change from using a mineral oil to using a synthetic oil. In most cases, synthetic oils are fully compatible to mix with or as a replacement for conventional mineral oils. This means you can swap to a synthetic oil for improved engine cleanliness and higher levels of protection without a concern for compatibility. Changing to synthetics can also, in some cases, improve performance and even reduce fuel consumption. Synthetics float better in cold temperatures but aren't suitable when they become too hot, or in warmer climates as they become too thin. Synthetic oils are engineered to perform in all weather extremes, be it freezing sub-zero winters or hot summers in the desert. Synthetic oils are offered in a wide range of weight gradings to suit all climates. Using a synthetic oil means I can leave it longer between oil changes. While yes, in theory, synthetics will take longer to break down and as such should provide good lubrication for longer than a conventional mineral oil, lubricants should still be changed as recommended by your vehicle manufacturer. The fact that a synthetic can care for your engine better than a mineral oil and protect it for longer, that's just a benefit that should not be abused. Always follow the manufacturer's recommended oil drain intervals. In summary, synthetic oils are, in most cases, a superior choice over conventional mineral oils. There are some applications, however, that may prefer mineral oil use, say in certain engine types such as rotaries or two-stroke engines. Brand choice is not as critical as following the recommended specifications as detailed by your vehicle manufacturer. In other words, check your owner's manual. More important than anything is religiously follow the recommended service schedule for your car. Be sure to change your oil regularly, and if you make your engine work harder, say due to towing or driving at a racetrack, you may need to increase the frequency of your oil changes. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you next time.